So if you're new to this channel, we will be adding something a little bit different that's not car related. So what I am in the process of working on, this is a 2004 Fleetwood Gearbox 260 FS, and what we're going to be doing is here in the next few weeks or so, we are going to be coating the outside of all this aluminum siding that is very prone for leaking and looks just horrible due to the Texas life that this trailer lived up until 2020 when we purchased it. So anyways, currently we have so we had 40 below temperatures back in December and January, and what had happened, it had cracked the linoleum really bad, and so I've stitched that up, and I am going to be putting down 1/4 inch underlayment, this stuff, to full sheets 4x8, and it will, the finished product will look similar to this. I had recently did this in the fall. We had a soft spot in the floor. I raised the floor, patched the hole in the floor, and put down this planking from Home Depot. And then we've added some stuff like a lot of LED lights. There's LEDs and also LEDs with USB ports, and gotten rid of the curtain. We've added curtains and got rid of the other blinds. Just trying to make this our own, but also kind of give it a more modern take since their new campers are so expensive and that. And then what we did find was that in removing the factory jackknife seats that it did have in here, did actually have a lot more room. So this garage is 14 feet long, I believe, and then it is almost 8 foot wide in here. Not quite, because these two sheets of laminate won't fit, or plywood won't fit in here side by side. I'll have to cut one of them to get it in here, but yeah, it should look like this. I don't know if you can see that. It should look like this when we're all done in here, and I'll post some more videos once we get it done. But yeah, here is the jackknife seats, the seats that I removed this afternoon, which actually take up, which even when they're folded up, they folded up against the sides of the camper, but they did still take up quite a bit of room. So this is a Gearbox 260 FS. I think gross is like 11.8 on this thing, but yeah, this is what we're fixing up. I've, like I said, added a few things, new modern thermostat, and upgraded the toilet to an actual porcelain one that a regular human being can fit onto. Yep, this is what it is. Definitely trying to eliminate some of this. You can see some of the remnants of the safari theme that the gearboxes were most noted for. Probably eventually paint these cabinets. It does have the queen that comes down from the ceiling just manually. The bunk. I did add some places for wet coats and all sorts of different stuff, and no TV because we don't usually watch TV when we're boondocking. But anyways, hopefully more to come once I get this all installed here this weekend. Thanks for watching.